English time with Sir Herbert.
Hey everybody, this is teacher Herbert and I have prepared a simple poem about the vowel sounds. I hope you like it. The sounds of English. Dear angels sent from heaven, brace yourselves as we learn the sounds of English that are fascinating, a little bit perplexing but illuminating. Say beach, peach, and beach, but not feet, seat, and meat. Pair words like kit and pin, but not with beer and scene. Face, lace, and pace will definitely go with vase, and so are pet and net when paired with ham and set. Say ma'am, and can, your mouth should be wide open, while words like pot and cup will lead your jaw to drop. Food, up, full, cover, over. Notice the differences, however. Oops, don't they sound different? Clear language? Come on, it's evident.